it's just me, calm down. Hi. I'm doing a Valentine's Day eye look. And I have to say that I absolutely hate Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is not a good day for a lot of people. And I personally feel that, you know, obviously it's about people who are in relationships and have love and yada, 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 yada. But I personally feel that people can celebrate their love on their anniversary. Do you know that the suicide rate is so much higher on Valentine's Day, and it's actually really sad? Like, even when I was in a relationship, I didn't really give a shit about Valentine's Day, but my anniversary was on Valentine's Day. So that's another reason why I hate Valentine's Day. But in saying that, I do love all the cute teddy bears, I love all the cute chocolates, I love all the cute shit about it. I just hate the fact that when you're a single person, it makes you feel like shit. So, I've always wanted to do an eyeshadow look based around the theme of Valentine's Day, or let's go with love. Is it even real? Who knows? And I'm annoyed because you shouldn't have asked me out on Valentine's Day because you completely ruined the day for me, and that's not appreciated at all. I love love. I think it's a beautiful thing though, and I do love the festivities. That's why I'm doing it. I don't want to hear people saying you're such a hypocrite, you're such a bad, like, blah, blah, blah. You're saying you hate it, but you're doing a video about it. I explained to you the situation. I still like the toys, still love the chocolates, I still love the colours and the festivities. I just hate what it represents really, but I still think it's cute. So it's kind of love-hate relationship. Oh yeah. So we're doing a makeup look based around love. Oh yeah. You're most likely going to use the Blood Sugar palette and also the James Charles palette. Just use whatever looks the same. I used to use like $5 eyeshadow stuff and cheap as chips things, so I have no judgment in that regard. I really don't care. Like, I go for the cheapest stuff that you can find. So I'm using the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. How excited are we? He's coming out with a Blood Sugar 2. I really want him to add in more purples, like more pinks, like some like muted pinks and like some really nice pinky tones, because I've got none and I've always wanted to do a nice pinky nudie look. What else do you reckon he's gonna have? Do you reckon he's like, I just want to know. I want to know what he's inspired by as well. Like, why does he do blood sugar? Like, what's it mean? Did you used to have to donate blood all the time? Like, what's it mean? I'm excited. I'm really excited. I'm gonna tell you right. Oh. Can I go back now? Okay. Let's go. How's everyone going? I hope everyone's well. Comment down below how excited you are about Jeffree's new makeup, and also comment what you think is going to be in his next Blood Sugar palette, because I'm excited. I wonder what the packaging is going to be like. Do you reckon it's going to be like this but a different colour? Look, I know it doesn't look great right now, but just stay with me and we'll see what happens, okay? To my future husband, just stay with me and we'll see what happens, okay? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend. We're gonna blend this and we're gonna make it look decent, you know? I love how I never know what I'm doing. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the James Charles palette with the two beautiful queens. We're gonna use both your palettes, babes. We're gonna go with this color here and we're going to put it in. Are you ready? Are you ready? We're gonna put it into like this deep crease there. I think they call it putting it into the crease. I don't know, but we're gonna do it and it's gonna look fly, okay? Okay. Great, I'm really glad we came to a good conclusion on that. I'm gonna try my best to make this look like wearable. So, funny story. Basically yesterday I went to cook mac and cheese, and you know how you put water in it, then you put it in the microwave for about 4 minutes and she's cooked? Yeah, well, I got distracted, so I forgot to put water in my mac and cheese, and then I just put it straight in the microwave. And thank God Mum was home, because the house was in smoke, like smoke was everywhere in the house. So thanks to my stupid ass, the house now smells like smoke. And I'm actually not allowed to use appliances anymore. So To my future husband, I apologise in advance for not being able to cook for you, but I'm going to try my best. Just please monitor me in case I forget a step. That is so simple. Great. Alright, so put that in. That's kind of pretty. It's just kind of cute. Alright, and now we're just going to cut it off. We're going to do a cut crease. There's a spider in my bathtub. We must monitor it as we make this video. If the spider moves, I will be very alarmed. It's a black one and it's about that big. Do we know what it is? Oh, she's moving. Why? Okay, you're crawling up the wall, are you? I'm sorry, I'm very distracted. See, I get distracted so easily. This is why I cannot cook. Alright, next we're gonna get a nice flat brush like this. Now this will help us cut our crease. Mom? Mom? Mom's left. Mom's not home anymore. Damn it! Oh, this is not good. Oh, sorry, get some concealer of some form. Oh, here's a fast one. That's what she said. Mom? Why am I getting... Oh, wow, okay, sorry, waste your time. You belong outside, get out. Now, if you are bad at cut creases like me, hi, welcome. I'm actually starting a club, the Bad Crease, alright? So don't stress, you're never alone. Yeah, basically join. Well, all we eat is food and we talk about everything. So it's a good club to join. I highly recommend it to the world. If you're at that point in your makeup where you're like, oh, I've done it again, I've messed up my cut crease, calm down. I got ya. Just get your brush, fill it out in the edges, just lightly. I think this was really badly done. Back in the bathtub, I don't know what it's doing. I really have no idea. Like, such a strange spider. It's jumping around. Oh my. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the same brush that we used for our pink, because I have so many brushes. And we're gonna go into Cherry Soda. Every time I look at it, it stops moving. So I can see it moving at the corner of my eye right now. Okay, this spider's clearly evolved. Oh, I can't handle this. Yep, so just put a crap ton just here, okay? Don't worry about fallout, we'll fix her up later. So we're gonna use this Neutralize Nude Shallow palette. This thing, I got it from Big W, it was like 10 bucks. It's actually a very good palette and it works like a babe. Okay. And I'm gonna take this pretty little pink and I'm going to put it in the corner of my eye. I'll show you. Can we just acknowledge how good this fallout is? Hi Fallout Boy. So we basically do that. We're gonna do something wild. We're gonna do something that's popping off the tops of your turds. We're gonna grab our Stelia glitter and we know what I'm gonna do with this. So we are literally gonna put this in the crease and make it look shiny. Oh yes, I think that's absolutely stunning. Oh my god, I'm so impressed. This one's Diamond Dust, by the way. I was thinking, what is all of this? Got so much fallout, just wipe it away with your powder brush. This is what I always do whenever I make a right mess. Conceal it. This is the cheap ass $10, $9, whatever you want to call it. Concealer, twist, age, rewind. Use the concealer and just cut it. And then we get just your powder and lightly go over it all. Everywhere we put concealer, just put the powder. So just. I love this look. How stunning is that? Now, I know a lot of people like to put stuff in the under eye, so I figured I should probably do that. I don't do makeup, so I don't know. I'm gonna go with a really nice color, and this one is Cake Mix with the black sugar. Just get like a flat brush like this and put it underneath here, not too much though. Yeah. I just realized I have yellow on this brush, oh god. Now my favorite part, we are gonna use in the corner of our eye, some pretty ass. We're gonna go with ring light. We're gonna put it in the corner of our eye here. Then, because I want a beautiful pinky highlighter, we're gonna go in with my premium duochrome palette. I shade it by Sports Girl. This is a stunning thing. We're gonna go in with Wanderlust. You can see her, can't you? You can see her. Now I do this weird thing where I'll put highlighter just in the corner here, because I think it looks cool. Jazz it up. And we're gonna put my lashes on. And I'm also using these ones. I got them from Big W. They were pretty cheap actually. They were $10. I know that's not cheap. I know we're all living on a budget. Look how pretty they are. Like, they're gonna knock you out of the park. Alright? Whoever's looking at you, they're gonna knock them out. I'm telling you right now. They're gonna knock them out and it's gonna be beautiful. Oh, I'm so bad at this. Me putting lashes on is a PR nightmare. Like, oh, wow. So I just put lashes on, and I'll just put some bottom lashes on. Now we're gonna quickly do our face. So I'm just gonna grab this Rimmel one, and I always use this one. It's one of the best ones. We're gonna go with the only blush that I have. I'm gonna put this on here. Now we're going to use the favourite highlight that I was using before on my brow bone, because I think it's such a pretty colour. Just put a little bit. That is so pigmented. Okay, it's a look. Oh my god. Anyone can wear this look on the daily basis, okay? So get whatever eyeliner you have that's liquid eyeliner, and we're going to use that. Cringy little heart, but it's going to be cute. That took about 5 years and it still looks shit. Man, it kind of works. So you can definitely do this look like whenever you want. It doesn't even have to be on Valentine's Day. You can put a heart on your cheek whenever you want. It's cute, I like it. We're gonna use Thick as Thieves, I think. Oh, should I use Deceased? So I decided to put Deceased on instead. And I'm telling you, it's a look. Of course, you guys can put whatever colour lipstick you want on, maybe a nice pink, rosy pink, or even just a lip gloss. And lastly, to finish this look, we put setting spray on. You guys need to get this setting spray. If you have not got this one, it is the best setting spray. It is L'Oreal Inflatable Fixing Mist. Girl, get this one. So that is what I have for this video. For most of this eye look, you can definitely use the Blood Sugar palette, because I think it has all of the colours that I used today, but I just decided to mix things up and confuse you even more and use different palettes and just annoy the crap out of everyone. I feel like I'm some anime character right now. Here is a basic look for you guys to do. If you are alone on Valentine's Day, that's okay, because so am I. I don't know where that spider's at. Oh, can you imagine if it's in a jacket? If you guys do this look at home, send me pics. I would love to see it. I would definitely do this look when you're just, you know, doing a casual shift at work. Like, honestly, go for it, girl. Do it. There's no rules that say you can't do it, so. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. It's not the end of the world. We'll all find love sometime. Oh no. I'm sorry if I wasted your time, but this is the best Valentine's Day tutorial we'll ever see, okay? I'm telling you right now. Have a good rest of the week, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.